So I did some things without filming, as I do. Mostly because the camera died and I kept getting to charge it. That's out. Interior for the most part is back together. Got my steering wheel on. Made a Crown Royal shift boot. Pretty much front end's taken apart. I want to take the fenders off. I'm going to drop the differential, the rear diff. Oh, this only has one diff. The differential at some point, and I'm going to weld it. Haven't decided yet, but I would like to drop the front subframe and get it powder coated. Just because I don't want to cut corners with this car, and I want it to be really nice. I want it to be show car quality. I'm going to take this apart. If it's bad, I'm going to buy a new engine and build that one. If it's not, I'm going to build this one, up compression, and do ITBs. That's really all I want from it. I don't want to turbo it, nothing. So, well, before I do any of that, before I even tear into that, I need to clean the garage. I already started, but it's a shit show and it needs to be cleaned. So, I'm gonna start with that. Alright, so for the most part, picked up, swept, for the most part, clean. I'm trying to decide if I want to clean that or work on that today. Really want to tear into that, but I don't want to do that today. And this is just really dirty. I'm running out of space, so I'm probably just going to clean up. It's like 95 degrees out. So I'm probably not going to do too much because I'm feeling pretty lazy because I worked all day. So yeah, I might clean it up a little bit. But that's pretty much all. Alright. Engine tear down time. I got the valve cover off and then realized I want to time lapse it. Alright, I feel like I'm really close. Probably a shitty time lapse, but it's tool bear block with the head on. I'm not gonna pull the head yet. This is where it's gonna sit for now, for a few days. I'm gonna pick up tools, make it look a little better. And then probably call it for a day because it's 8:30. So, and I'm hot as fuck. So, no knock. Okay, 1 piston. A little shimmy. 2 pistons.